I'm Takis Gaviganis with Boardroom Advisors and wanted to catch up with you today on some opportunities that I feel are pretty key for our scale-ups and SMEs. In particular, I want to talk to you about Internet of Things, big data and artificial intelligence, because the combination of those will have a huge impact going forward. I mentioned earlier in a previous share that I did that there's a good 26 trillion growth between where we are now and 2025. A lot of that will come from the new area of big data, Internet of Things and artificial intelligence. And our scale-ups and SMEs involved in that area will probably do very well. And here's my share some of the facts with you. So technology in cars at the moment, if you look at the retail cars, they've got about 200 to 300 sensors on them. Formula One, probably about 500-600. And then if you get into transportation, like the airliners, around 10,000, some even 15,000, some of the new superliners are coming through. So around the planet at the moment, we've got some 32 billion sensors already deployed through the web on the Internet of Things technology. That's going to be about 75 billion by 2025. So the amount of data we'll be generating is phenomenal. But it's the new decisions that come out of that are quite important. So coronavirus has changed our world as we know it. And I think that's going to be quite interesting in terms of national and global restrictions on movement of people and services. So the lockdown is quite severe, but I think we will have lockdown type of scenarios going forward, and we'll need the data to be able to understand the mobility generally. There is also out there mobility as a service and technologies that support that at the city level, and that's quite critical as well as national and international. But if I talk to you for a minute about the sensors, because there will be a lot of opportunities there, A, in deploying the sensors, B, in grabbing the data, and C, in making decisions off it. And a lot of our scale-ups and SMEs in that space could benefit by talking with us, because for starters, we're involved in the innovation of that, both with government and universities. And the sensors will be quite disruptive. I think I'm generally involved at the moment in normal sensors on mobility, but also in quantum sensors, which would disrupt all of that space and offer a new depth of data. So Boardroom Advisors can help our SMEs and scale-ups, both with innovation. That's quite important, and we know what's coming and where the funding of that is going to be. But in addition, you're going to need the normal services. So how's that going to disrupt my business? Where should I invest my time and my resources? That's a really key area for scale-ups. And what skills do I need to start developing? And what skills do I need that I don't have from people that have been there and done similar stuff and can help me? So please feel free to reach out. There's a big growth coming in these areas, Internet of Things, big data and artificial intelligence, and we'd love to help.